You look like a walrus.
Man, this is so good. Noodles, man, look, a witch's, look, a witch's nail. So dry. Quit fucking eating those. I haven't had my share. Let's see. Man!
There's 4 handfuls.
No, you took like 10, you fatty. You're so fat, man. Just took like 10 handfuls.
No,
Yeah, you did.
I can't shoot.
Dude, why are you picking that up? So cool out. Greg, what the fuck?
Firecracker.
No.
Yeah.
Do it over here then.
So
Yeah.
yeah.
This way.
You want to let one off too?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm too high. We gotta pause this shit so we can do a Firework. Just give them a preview of what the fuck we're going through. Cause you're walking through mud!
Sure.
I just like jumped the trench. Hold on. Hold on. Is that out in the water? Ah! Ah! Oh shit, that was loud. Camel walk. No, fuck, man! You just threw it up my ass. What the fuck? Where'd you throw that?
Behind us.
Fuck, that was loud. Don't light them! Don't! Dude, fuck off. Don't light it! Ah!
Ow.
Stop!
That one shot me.
I'm getting out of here, you're fucking weird. Man, you fucking dick. You can get us in so much shit now. Yeah. No more, you fucking dick. You only said one. No.
Yeah.
No.
Give me the bugles.
No, I haven't had it.
Get a handful.
I am. Don't fucking bitch at me. Ew. Ew. It's so good. Man, I need something good to eat when I go home.
What?
I don't know, I'm fucking hungry. Oh, this is so good. Oh, maybe I have French fries at home. French fries and gravy. Choking? It's like you're eating chicken claws. It's a cornucopia on your Thanksgiving table. You're coughing a lot. Do you need a paramedic? Ugh. Ugh.